In this short guide, how to top up your test pool automatically. Delete a whole test type and build an exact number of tests for any single type.
Create all missing tests fills the gaps in a single pass. We recommend keeping at least 15 tests for every test type. Set a target, 5 say, and PrepareBuddy tops up every type that has fewer than that. A type that is already complete is skipped entirely. Choose the difficulty level you want, and create. It runs in the background, and it is the fastest way to get a brand new platform from empty to fully stocked. Bulk delete removes every standard test of a chosen type. That is the generated ones only. Tests you built by hand are left alone. And if you would rather work type by type, create individual types lets you set an exact count per test. Ask for 10 GMAT tests, pick your difficulty, and it builds exactly that.
And that is bulk test creation in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.